Beyond former Ateneo coach Tab Baldwin, the National Bureau of Investigation has recommended criminal charges against several others, including Ateneo athletic officials, resort owners, and management. This following the tragic drowning incident that claimed the lives of two Ateneo student athletes in Depakulao, Aurora. Gab Humilde Villegas has the full report.
The National Bureau of Investigation, or NBI, endorsed the filing of criminal charges before the Department of Justice against former Ateneo Blue Eagles coach Tab Baldwin and 10 others. This is in connection with the death of two student athletes from Ateneo de Manila University, Rene Baterbonia and Divine Adili, who drowned during a team-building activity in Depakulao, Aurora on June 8. Included in the NBI's recommendation to be charged with reckless imprudence resulting in 2 counts of homicide are strength and conditioning coaches Cesar Vincent C.J. Alumba and Grant Dearns, assistant coaches Reynaldo Jacinto Jr., Dean Cesar Castaño, Sandro Nicolas Soriano, Hernan Amir Buboy Domingo, and Ateneo's physical therapist John Eric Rueca. Meanwhile, the filing of a complaint for simple negligence resulting in homicide was recommended against Ateneo Athletic Director Emmanuel Fernandez, as well as the owners and co-managers of the resort, Francisco Zubia III, Frederick Zubia, and Yeda Mary Molina Rubio. Administrative cases were recommended to the Department of Interior and Local Government against the BPLO officer, Municipal Tourism and Development Officer, and the head of the Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office of Depakulao, Aurora for failure to implement standard operating procedures, resort safety inspections, lifeguard safety, and others. According to Justice Secretary Frederick Vida, the department will consolidate the earlier referral from the PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or PNP-CIDG.
Soon we will be coming up with a decision on how to proceed on this case. No?
Last week, the Department of Labor and Employment continued the clarificatory hearing on Baldwin's employment status. Ateneo insisted that Baldwin is only a consultant and that no employer-employee relationship exists. DOLE has ordered Ateneo to submit the necessary documents within 7 days before issuing a final decision. According to Labor Secretary Francis Tolentino, the investigation into Baldwin's possible violations of the labor code will be fair. Gab Humilde Villegas for The Nation.